Here is our onboard water. It's a 13.3 gallon water tank made by Ironman 4x4. You can see about half of it. The rest of it's being covered up by these beautiful cabinets made by Creative Woodworks out of Ashland, Kentucky, which is a family business my family's been running for many, many years, started by my grandfather. Back to the water tank. Tank is plumbed underneath the floor plate system and underneath the cabinet and the refrigerator slide. Yes, that is a retractable dog leash. Works perfect for retractable power cable for the refrigerator. Call me cheap, I don't care. It works. Water lines run up to a 12-volt pump and accumulator tank, plumbed over and down and into the rear taillight area of the Jeep. Yes, I drilled a hole in the back of the Jeep. That is an RV style water port attachment. Get your water, take this attachment, pop it right in there, turn the pump on. We got water. And with that tank, I always refill it with a drinking water approved water hose. I know, never heard of one before until I started into this kind of stuff. I always just drank straight from a plastic garden hose. But anyways, this is supposed to be safe. And a carbon RV filter. And still have access to the complete back seat with that tank in behind there.